Hey everyone, it's Jess. I'm going to be showing you what is in my Louis Vuitton Odeon bag in the PM size, and this is in the color Noir. I would say this is comparable to my Speedy B25. I will do a comparison video on it soon, so make sure you thumbs it up if you want to see that and that you're subscribed so you don't miss out. I will say I do like my bags full, but not super full, so you will see that from this video. And yeah, let's just get started. So first thing is I love this front magnetic closure pocket because you can fit a lot in here. It's super roomy. I just have my phone. I have the 12 Pro Max, I believe it's called. Yeah. So I just like to keep that in the front pocket. I am a mom of 3, so I need something that's just easy to go and grab. And this is the big pocket. This bag is really cool because you can zip it up different ways. You can have both zippers at the side like so, or you can even have them at the middle. So I usually just have it come to the middle. I just like the way that looks. So the first thing I have in here is a mask for my oldest son. I'm in Canada right now. We don't have our vaccines currently, so we still have to wear masks. This one is for my daughter. I have just an extra one in here, and this one for myself. I just have my keys, and I have it on this really pretty crystal. I don't know if you guys see this, but it catches the light so well. It's just super pretty. So yeah, that's where I just keep my keys. I will get another keychain that's maybe a little different, but I just really like it on this. I actually made it myself. I do wear glasses, so I have my sunglasses. I have my sanitizer. Normally I do keep this just in the stroller because this could be really detrimental to a canvas, so do keep that in mind if you're carrying it with you. I have a little dino. This is just my son's little dino, super cute. I have just a mask holder. I have some silk hair ties by the brand Slip and a hair clip. These are just so nice. They really grip your hair, but they're super soft and they really don't break it or pull on it, and they're just fantastic. And then I just have this random hair clip. I guess this is ever really hot, I could just put that on. And then lastly, I have my card holder from Louis Vuitton. I think I did do a review. I'm not sure. If I didn't, I will do one soon, but I really love this card holder. And that is everything in here. I could fit some more stuff. I'll show you how everything looks laid out. So this is everything I had in my bag, and I'll fill it up and show you exactly what it looks like so you can see what else I have a room for. So as you can see, I still have quite a bit of room left in there, and in the front pocket I got more stuff in there as well. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do have a more in-depth review of this bag, so be sure to check that out if you are interested. And like I said, I will be doing a comparison with this bag and my Speedy B25, and I do have some other bags I can also compare it to if you are interested. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on any future videos, and you thumbs this up so I know you want to see more content like this. I also have been doing grocery hauls, and I do plan on doing some more reviews in the future. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing great. Bye.